Hey guys, it is Julie here with JT Wealth. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the latest and very exciting announcement from Cathie Wood and Ark Invest about the launch of a new space exploration ETF. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back and thank you so much for being here. Like I said, today we are covering the hot news about Cathie Wood's Ark Invest launching a new ETF, and this one is said to be focused around space exploration. So in today's video, we are going to take a look at what we know so far about this new ETF, what types of space funds it plans to hold, and what space stocks it is already moving in the market. And just before we jump into all of that, this is just your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to check out some of the links in our description, which includes my Patreon page, which will get you access to our Discord chat group. Plus, right now, Webull is giving away 4 free stocks for signing up and funding a new investment account. So make sure to check them out. All right, now let's talk about Ark's Space ETF. So this news broke yesterday on January 13th from this SEC prospectus for the registration of a new ETF. Now the ticker is said to be ARKX, and the name is the Ark Space Exploration ETF. Like most Ark ETFs, this one will be actively managed and target companies that are engaged in the investment theme of space exploration and innovation. Now, Ark defines space exploration as leading, enabling, or benefiting from technologically enabled products and or services that occur beyond the surface of the Earth. In the filing, Ark said that it believes space exploration companies can be grouped into 4 different overarching categories. The ARKX fund will focus on orbital aerospace companies, which are companies that launch, make, service, or operate platforms in the orbital space, including satellites and launch vehicles. Suborbital aerospace companies, which are companies that launch, make, service, or operate platforms in the suborbital space, including drones, air taxis, and electric aviation vehicles. Enabling technologies companies, which are companies that create the technologies required for successful value-add aerospace operations, including artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D printing, materials, and energy storage. And aerospace beneficiary companies, which are companies that stand to benefit from aerospace activities, including agriculture, internet access, global positioning systems, construction, and imaging. The goal for this space exploration ETF is to hold 40 to 55 stocks. And based on that SEC filing, it says that the proposed filing will become effective 75 days after the filing. So it sounds like we are still a couple months away from this officially being launched. Now, obviously, there has been a ton of buzz lately around Cathie Wood and Ark Invest and how much success their ETFs have had this year. Everyone loves their approach to disruptive technologies, so there is a lot of high anticipation for this fund. From this news coming out last night, just the buzz of this space exploration ETF has caused some space-related company stock to jump. So let's take a look at a few of those. The first stock that took a nice jump is Virgin Galactic, who under the ticker SPCE shot up over 21% so far today and is at $33.47. Virgin Galactic is pioneering human spaceflight for private individuals and researchers, as well as a manufacturer of advanced air and space vehicles. It is developing a spaceflight system designed to offer customers a unique, multi-day transformative experience. They believe that the most exciting and significant opportunities of our lifetime lies in the commercial exploration of space and the development of technology that will change the way we travel across the globe in the future. The second company that has jumped is a SPAC, and that is Stable Road Acquisitions. They trade under the ticker SRAC, and they also went up about 21% and are currently at $20.76. Now, they are merging with Momentous, who is the space infrastructure company. They say that the opportunities for growth offered by space-based applications are virtually infinite, and we're at the center of it. They will be providing the infrastructure services necessary to usher in the coming era of space-based prosperity. Now, they offer multiple services, but one really interesting one is their goal for 2035, and that is asteroid and moon mining. They say the abundance of water in asteroids on the moon and Mars and the ease of extraction and storage secure water as the first viable extraterrestrial mined resource. Iron and nickel exist in abundance in space and make great construction materials, as well as regolith for radiation shielding for permanent human habitats. Precious rare metals with an enormously large concentration in some types of asteroids will equally contribute to the industries of the future. So some pretty big goals there to be mining asteroids within the next couple of decades. Now, ARK's Space Exploration ETF will not be the first ETF that is based around space exploration. Currently, there is already the Procure Space ETF, which focuses on space as its investment objective. It trades under the ticker UFO and also saw a jump up in price, obviously with some of those space-related holdings jumping up in price last night from the news. Now, this ETF has been around since 2019. Their top 10 holdings consist of Iridium Communications, Orbcom Incorporated, Maxar Technologies Inc., Trimble Inc., Laurel Space and Com Inc., Garmin, EchoStar Corp., Viasat, Eutelsat Communications, and SES SA. So it'll be really interesting to see if Cathie Wood's ARKX ETF overlaps with any of these holdings, or if Ark Invest is going to stay true to their fashion and really seek after some of those newer disruptive companies that aren't really on the map yet. All in all, very exciting news from Ark Invest to see them expanding their family of already very successful ETFs. And I know this one will be gathering a lot of attention when it does launch, so we will be keeping a close eye on that. Now, you guys know I always love hearing from you, so make sure to leave your thoughts down below in the comments. What do you think of this new ETF for Ark? Do you think it'll be as successful as the rest? And what space-related stocks have you been watching lately? Keep in mind, these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock and are just meant for entertainment and information purposes. Always make sure to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. If you made it all the way to the end of the video today, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and cheers.